Hey guys, I want to give you a little update on the grow tunnel, the arches, how they're working, how the pros and cons that I found from them, the things that I really like about them. I have two 20-foot rows that have the continuous grow arch, which I use a lot. From those two 20-foot rows, I think I ended up with probably about 200 pounds of cucumbers and about 300 pounds of tomatoes in one season. So they're doing really well, and I just want to give you a few highlights of the things that I think work really well with this system. So here's a little update on the arches and the trellises. Great thing about planting on the trellises is that not only do you not have to space them out as far apart, but you can put multiple things that are going to grow at different rates. So on this trellis, I have beans, tomatoes, and cucumbers all growing on the same two 20-foot rows. So it would be as though I had 6 20-foot rows when I actually only have 2. So I planted my tomatoes on the outside and my cucumbers on the inside of the same trellis. See it a little better like this. And it seems to be working out very well. I really like growing the cucumbers and the tomatoes together, because over here where I did beans and tomatoes, which is fine too, it got to a point where I had to start tying the tomatoes because they were getting so tall they were falling over, and they were growing so fast I couldn't weave them in and out quick enough. But back here where the cucumbers are with the tomatoes, I don't really have to tie anything because the cucumbers are holding the tomatoes. As they grow, they're both competing, racing to the top, so they're both growing really fast. And the cucumbers really are they're tying the tomatoes for me basically as they grow. So that's kind of cool. I find that growing like this has made the fruit a lot easier to find. See how the vines are just kind of growing up on everything. The foliage kind of grows up away, and when I walk underneath, everything is pretty easy to see and to find, so that I've had less problems missing things and finding. Like this one turned yellow on me. It was hidden in the foliage at the bottom, but I've really not had too much of that happening. Even with the little tiny cherry or grape tomatoes, it's just been a lot easier on this orchard trellis, I find, to find the produce. See, on the outside it's real bushy because everything grows out, but when you walk on the inside, even if you have to reach your hand through the wire to pick, it's just a lot easier to see everything, I find. So I definitely like growing it like this. Another great benefit to growing it like this, planting the tomatoes on the outside of the arch as they grow up. Of course, we know tomatoes can handle the hot summer sun and the heat, so they shaded the cucumbers that were growing on the inside, extending their growth season to where both of them produced very well all season long throughout the entire summer until the winter freezes came and killed them. And of course, once that happened, then it was super easy cleanup because I didn't have to do anything but come with a fire blowtorch and just burn up all the remnant, which of course puts nutrients back into the ground, and I was ready for fall planting. All right, so in a matter of about 10 minutes, I guess maybe less, we went from this to this. So definitely a lot easier, quicker, and no chemicals.